Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JV from Unique Tutorials. Today, in this video, I will discuss about one web browser that's being developed by Microsoft, which is going to be the biggest rival for the Google Chrome and the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So, without delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store, and here you need to search for one web browser that is being developed by Microsoft. As you can see here, the Microsoft Edge, that is the web browser developed by Microsoft Corporation. So to get the latest features and its new changes, you must become a beta tester. So as you can see here, I am a beta tester. So you will get the latest features which are launched earlier by becoming the beta user. So how you can get the beta tester and how you can become, just scroll down to the bottom, and if you get here a notifications below join the beta, then definitely you should try the beta apps. As I am a beta tester for these apps, so I'll be getting a few beta updates. So if you're not getting the beta, then you can go to the third-party website that is named as www.apkmirror.com, which I have given in the video description below. So you can click from there and download the beta version of this Microsoft Edge, so that you can see the latest features of these applications and what's good in it and what new features has been included in this web browser. So after installing, I'll show you. As you can see, the beta version has a new icons, but if you go back to the Play Store, the icons you can see here is totally different. This is normally the icons here you were seeing is mainly for the stable versions, but ultimately when this beta version will get the stable version, then you too will get the exact icon of the Microsoft Edge browser. So let's open this web browser. As you can see, the beautiful design, definitely it attracts me a lot compared to the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox web browser for the Android devices. It looks totally very fresh, and if you can see the news, which are mainly good and not rubbish like most of the web browsers. They used to provide the fake news, like mostly the UC browsers and those Chinese web browsers. So definitely you can trust this web browser from Microsoft itself. And one more good thing, that you can sync throughout from your PC, from your mobile, your all login data, even your passwords, you can sync from Android to the Windows PC and respective. So when you click in the bottom tab bar, as you can see, lots of features here. So favorites, histories, downloads, and you can see and you can customize even lots of menus. So one more good thing here, that if you like a dark mode, nowadays the dark mode is very popular throughout the Androids and iOS. So how you can enable it on this web browser also, you just need to go to the settings, and as you can see in the above appearance, so themes, just tap on the dark, voila, now go back, now you can see completely a dark mode. So in my opinion, you should definitely try and check this out As for me right now, this is the best alternative for the Google Chrome web browser and the Mozilla Firefox web browser for the Android devices. So what are you waiting for? Search this application in the Play Store, become a beta tester, and try these new features on this Edge browser by Microsoft, and try it yourself how you like the browser. Is it gonna replace your Google Chrome browser or your Mozilla Firefox web browser? So try it today, and whether it's useful for you or not, please comments below in the video, and click on the thumbs like button if you like the video, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.